The instrument cluster belongs, among many other things, to this interior equipment. The instrument cluster can be easily removed if you note the following step. Bring the vertical adjustment of the steering wheel into the lowest position and pull it out all the way. Remove the ignition key. And then remove the ignition switch. For this you'll need the special tool which you can order from the number on your screen. The EZS must be removed, and with it the trim of the instrument board. Remove the trim with the help of a wade. Now pull out the dimmer switch. Also remove the instrument cluster cover frame. Here it's best to begin at the top part of the frame, and when that's loose the frame can be easily taken away. Using a torque screwdriver, unscrew the 4 fixing bolts holding the instrument cluster, and tilt the cluster forwards. Here once more in more detail, remove these fixing bolts. Unplug the electric connection, and you can remove the instrument cluster. The installation occurs in reverse order.